This 2018 Forest River Wildwood is brought to you by Nellys Auto Sales. Used 2018 Forest River Wildwood, very clean and in excellent condition. Sit comfortably on the couch during the day, then pull down the top and convert it into a queen-size bed for sleeping. The table converts into a twin-size bed. Has a TV and cable input. Small refrigerator, microwave, and a 2-burner stove. Full-size bathroom with sink, shower and toilet with cold AC, hot heat, and hot water. 22 1/4 foot length 3910 GVW financing available. A mileage has to be added to the camper for Facebook ads only. Visit us at nellysautosals.b12soft.com.